To solve the Rubik's Cube, we first have to make a daisy. After making the daisy, we have to align these edge pieces with its center and then rotate it to form a white cross below. After that, we have to put in the corner pieces using the right algorithm. After completing the first layer, we'll move on to the second. Now we have to solve this using the left and the right algorithm. Now we have solved the second layer. Now we have to make a cross. After making the cross, we have to align the edge pieces with the center. If we do not obtain all the edge pieces, we have to perform a certain algorithm. Now we have to find a good corner. A corner that has all the colors of its three sides. Like orange, yellow and blue. And it has orange, yellow and blue. So this is a good corner. Now we have to perform the algorithm to make all of these corners good corners. Now we have all the corners as good corners. Now we will rotate the cube and put this yellow piece at the bottom using the right algorithm. And now we do not have to rotate the cube but just rotate the last row and repeat the same. And we have solved our Rubik's Cube. For further details, please click the link below.